You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
A domestic move can forgive a few packing mistakes. An international move usually will not. Welcome back to the podcast. That's your guide to living in another country. Today, we're talking about one of the most underestimated parts of an overseas move: professional packing. A lot of people think about packing mainly putting things in boxes. But in international moving, packing is really about protection, documentation, and transit readiness. Your belongings may be handled multiple times. They may go through pickup, loading, export handling, port activity, ocean and air transit, custom inspection, unloading, and final delivery. Every stage adds another opportunity for damage if items are not packed correctly. That is why professional packing matters more in international moves than it does in many local relocations. Good international packing protects fragile items, helps maximize space in the shipment, supports custom documentation, and reduces the risk of avoidable problems at destination. It also matters because different types of belongings need different materials and methods. Furniture is not packed like artwork. A piano is not packed like standard household goods. Electronics are not packed the same way as books or linens. For professionals and families relocating abroad, the real value of expert packing is peace of mind. It lets you focus on the transition itself, instead of worrying whether your household goods will survive the journey in good condition. And in a time when custom requirements and international shipping demand continue to put pressure on timelines and documentation, packing is not something to treat casually. It is one of the foundations of a smoother move. Packing is not just preparation. In an international move, it's protection and strategy. If you're planning an overseas move and want your belongings packed properly from the start, call 877-339-0267 or visit sdcinternationalshipping.com.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.